Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the crashing error in the Hogwarts Legacy. I will show you the 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to update the graphic card drivers. For this, you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for devmgmt.msc and then click OK. So after your device manager open, you have to just click on the display adapter option and expand it. Right click on your driver and then click on the update driver. Doing so, you have to just click on search automatically for driver. And after searching, you can see that my driver has been updated and installed. So you have to just close and again open your Hogwarts Legacy. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you just need to verify the integrity of your game files. For this, you have to just open the Steam library and then right click on your Hogwarts Legacy and then click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of game files. Doing so, you have to just restart your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our third method, you have to just right click on your Hogwarts Legacy and then click on the open file location. And here again right click on your Hogwarts Legacy and then click on the properties, and here just click on the compatibility and then check for the two options, disable full screen optimization and run the program as an administrator, and then click on the apply and then OK. After this, you have to just restart your Hogwarts Legacy, and doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. And in the fourth method, you just need to update your Hogwarts Legacy. Check any update is available, then you have to just update your game, and doing so your problem will be fixed. And our fifth solution is that you just need to update your PC or system that you are using. This may also be effective to solve your error. Now moving to our final solution, you have to just uninstall your Hogwarts Legacy from your Steam and again install it. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.